Okay, so I am not sure if I'm doing this thing right because well, the script will say something regardless of whether you did it right or of what. Well, Anyways, I wanted to use this thing right here, the pillow speaker, but it didn't work with the orange pie because I don't know why. Because I'm assuming because it doesn't have enough power to power that thing. So I'm using these speakers right here. Those will do for now. Anyways, I would just like to start the demonstration of talking to the waifu. Here we go. Testing, testing, 1 2 1 2.
I'll treat you to whatever delicious food I can find.
All right, all right. So it works. It is kind of slow because it needs to upload the file, do the transcription, all that, and we need to press the button too. Technically, I could have used the ESP 8266, but it is really not meant for that. No, if you want to do this thing, you'll want to get at least a Raspberry Pi Zero or an Orange Pi Zero. I recommend the script I made is meant for the Orange Pi 3, but I recommend the Raspberry Pi Zero really because it has more support and it'd be yeah. Anyways, up next I'll be doing a video. I'll follow up with the technical details of this thing. Um, if you don't want to watch the technical details, you can skip that. But yeah, I just wanted to show it working. Okay, so that's it for now. All right, so we're back. Um, First, I wanted to say that this script, it's meant to work with the Orange Pi 3, but the reason why is because the Orange Pi 3 does not have a proper way of interacting with the GPIO pins. So uh, I got lucky and came across this, which gives the GPIO serial number. In this case, we're using pin 3. So in the script, it uses 122, which is the serial number for the GPIO pin we're using. Right here, bottom pin 122. See, 122. Here's a picture. See, pin 3, which is 1 2 3. Okay, in the ground, and it's connected to the button. When the button is pressed, the current flows and it tells the Orange Pi that we press the button. Okay. Anyways, here's the other way of doing it with the keyboard, but we want to do it with the button. So that's why I left that I left that in there in case you want to do it with the keyboard. Okay. Next, we're gonna need an S3 bucket. Okay. Here's an S3 bucket. It is just to store files on AWS. Okay, but you're gonna need the bucket name. This in my case is Pete Blank backup. Yeah, it stores the transcript JSON and the output of the Poly or AWS transcript. I'm not sure if Poly was the one that turned text to speech, or if AWS transcript was the one that turns. Yeah. So, anyways, let's go back. Yeah. The not transcript. AWS transcribe. I think that one turns text to speech, and Poly turns speech to text. So yeah, we turn the speech to text, feed it into waifu AI's API. She responds, and then we turn that into speech. You're gonna want to configure the AWS with the region that you pick for the transcribe and Poly. You're going to want to remember that, and then put it in the AWS configure along with the rest of the information. So yeah, uncomment that when you first run it. Okay, put the information and then comment that thing back in. If you forget to comment that, then it's gonna get in the way because it's gonna ask, and we're not gonna have a keyboard to answer the thing, press enter and all that. So it's gonna get in the way. So you're gonna want to or just run the command and configure it without the script, and then run the script. Anyways, yeah, now that that's out of the way, we're gonna move on to the waifu rapid API key. Okay, it's this one right here. You're gonna want to sign up, get the API key, sign up for key, and put it right here. Waifu rapid API key. Okay. Let's see what else. Well, I think I think that's the gist of it. I think you can figure the rest out. I am not gonna go over how to set up the Raspberry Pi or the Orange Pi, because there's plenty of information out there for that. If you would like to know how to configure how to set up the Raspberry Pi or Orange Pi, I can make a video about that. You can comment on the comment section below and ask, request for me to make a video about that, but I do not want to go over that right now. This thing is far from perfect. Okay, you need to press a button. You need to wait a lot. Okay, I am hoping for some collaboration. If anyone wants to contribute, make it so instead of pressing a button, it catches a word and then responds, or any contribution. I am open to that. I am one person and I'm trying to do this thing, trying to take shortcuts and all that, because I am one person and I cannot do everything. So let's collaborate if possible. If not, that's okay too. But I am open to collaboration and contributions towards this thing right here or anything else in the future. And with that, I'll end the video.